Hi, I'm Dr. Khurrum Shaukat Yusafzai. Today's video is about the emergency valve of the hyperbaric chamber, how it works. Because the emergency valve is a very useful tool to depressurize or deflate the hyperbaric chamber when an emergency arises. Because in case of emergency, the red colored emergency valve is a tool with which you can deflate the hyperbaric chamber very quickly and also exit the chamber. Because the rate of flow from the emergency valve is quicker as compared to the normal valve. So let's begin with my video and show you how it is used. So let's begin. Emergency valve is red in color and it is operated from inside the hyperbaric chamber, and as I'm inside the hyperbaric chamber, it is pressurized and I am inside of it. So this emergency valve is operated by pushing the handle upward, and when you press it upward, it releases the air on the outside, and the rate of deflation or emptying the hyperbaric chamber is very quick for this emergency valve. So this is the hyperbaric chamber. I am inside the hyperbaric chamber and I'm taking the treatment for myself. So in case of emergency, if I want to shut down the hyperbaric chamber and exit it quickly, let me show you how you do it. This is the emergency valve. This emergency valve, if you press it here, it will exit the air. For example, you want to quickly come out. So if you keep pressing it, it will exit all the air. And you can see the pressure decreasing very quickly. And when it reaches almost zero, from outside, the emergency valve also releases the air. You can see a part of it lifting upwards. So when it lifts upward, it releases the air. After the air has completely escaped and the chamber has fully deflated, then check if some air is left. If there is no air coming out, no hissing sound, then you can start opening the zip slowly, not to damage it, and you can immediately come out in matter of just 2 to 3 minutes. Or so when you're outside, to your safety, the function of the emergency valve has been accomplished. I hope you liked my video and understand the functions of the emergency valve. Hope to see you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also contact me on the social media apps scrolling down below. So take care and goodbye.